guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful idea and beautiful styles, designs for girls and women. Latest trendy ideas, neck stoller, crochet pattern, like scarf stoller, and latest ideas with different to crochet a hair cap and neck scarf. You will need basic crochet skills and some yarn and crochet hook. Here are a simplified guide and latest styles. Remember to adjust the size, stitches, pattern and color to match your preference. Crochet pattern for this items can be found online or in crochet books. Provide delicate instruction and stitch counts for different style and size. Like crochet rows and tell the scarf it is your distressed length. Finish off and you can add French or tassel if you like. Different latest ideas and looks. Remember that you can customize many stoller, scarf and cap with different materials, color and embellishment to suit your personal style. Whether you are looking for a particle accessories or a fashion statement, there are stoller designed for almost every ascension and preference. And latest beautiful ideas and beautiful design. Here are some design ideas in various category: fashion design, collection of clothing design, experiment with fabric and stitches to create a unique textile pattern and different ideas and fashion style. This design idea can be a starting point for your creativity projects. Feel free to explore the one that interests you the most, or combine elements from different design categories to create something unique and latest styles. Remember that you can customize many caps with different materials, color and embellishment to suit your personal style. And whether you are looking for a particle accessories or a fashion statement, there are beautiful muffled caps designed for almost every ascension and preference. So please see this video till the end and mention in the comment section for your feedback. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.